Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. The fuel heater fuses, where you can guys expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. You guys have multiple places where you can have fuses, but we'll work in one place that's under the hood. Now go ahead, open the hood on the driver's side. You see that cover that's in front of the car battery? It has two notches. Press them in. Once you lift it up, underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the fuel heater specifically, we may need to check up to 3 different fuses. Now, depending on the engine and model, you may have all of them or you may have some. Now let's go ahead and explain what you can expect, guys, where you can have them. The first one, fuse number 9, we're talking about that. Okay, we have an empty space, but it will be right here. That fuse will need to be checked. If you're looking for a fuel heater fuse, you will need to check fuse number 33 hours. It's a gasoline, so we don't have that one, but if you have the diesel, it will be right here as well. Fuse number 33. And the next one that you need to check, okay, is fuse number 37. It will be the one right here, guys. Those are the 3 fuses for the fuel heater. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.